We got a little Garden of Eden over here.
This is really cool up to that, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that huge boulder right down here.
I know, we're looking at that.
Look at all the done. Look at that little picture right there.
Now we have to figure out how to get past this. We got sheer rock walls on both sides. Sheer cliff. So we brought 45 feet of webbing. So, oh yeah, I can see it right up over here. We climb up this way. There's an old chunk of hunter's rope up there. We can do this.
Okay, now we got that big root down out of the way. We're on our way, clearing a new trail in Waianae Valley. And there's Steve. I'm next. This is really one of the most beautiful hikes I've ever cleared or even hiked in Waianae Valley. It's very beautiful. We might make it a cliff hike, but I don't know about this part. This is pretty tricky. Hope I make it. I know these guys will make it. Yeah, tell me about it.